Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on warmer.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warmer.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official warmer.ai website, from which, if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign in portal. Now from this portal, just enter your credentials or click on sign in with Google if you created your account using your Google account, or just type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the sign in button, and now you will officially be signed in to your warmer.ai account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on warmer.ai. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.